today for this video. I'm going to be throwing it back and doing an Urban Decay Naked 2 eyeshadow tutorial. I recently did a tutorial using the Sweet Peach palette by Too Faced, and then I also did a Chocolate Bar palette tutorial recently as well, so I'll leave them in the eye. I'm hoping it's on this side. I don't know, I always get confused, whatever. But I feel like cool tones are coming back, like people are really getting into them, so this is one of the only cool tone palettes that I have, and I've been kind of getting more into cool tones myself, so I'm pretty excited about this video. If you guys want to see another like old school palette tutorial, let me know down below. I am open to it. I don't like spending a ton of money on new palettes, and I have so many eyeshadow palettes, guys. So if you want to see something that's older, let me know. I might have it in my collection and we'll do a little video, you know what I mean? So let's just get into this eyeshadow tutorial. I'm excited. So we are just going to get right in it. We are going to get right into it. I don't want these eyeshadow tutorials to be so long, like usually they're 10 minutes long. So do you guys prefer voiceovers, or do you like the talk through videos? Let me know. I want to know, because if you want voiceovers, I will do voiceovers. So I'm starting off with Tease, which is right here, this purpley mauvey color. This is pretty much the only blending shade that this palette has, so I'm gonna use it. I do like the color. I just wish they had maybe another one, like get rid of Half Baked, you know, we have it in the Naked one. Put another blending transition color in there, Too Faced, you know? Okay, so now I'm gonna go into Snakebite. I'm gonna go into YDK and Busted later, but I feel like I need to, you know, build this up. So that's why I'm gonna go into Snakebite. I kind of wish this palette had more matte colors, if I'm being honest. I never realized that it's mostly shimmers. But, you know, we'll do it. So I'm not gonna do too much because eventually I'm going to like cut the crease, not a complete cut crease, you know what I mean? Just like halfway, just like the inner portion. So I kind of want this to just flow, have a nice gradient on the lid. So I'm just starting that, and I'm not gonna go crazy with Snakebite, you know? I use like this random brush that I found. I don't know where I got it. I'm gonna pick up Busted right here, and I'm gonna start packing this in the outer V. Let me see if this brush will do the job. Oh, so far so good. So I like doing these older palette tutorials because number one, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I don't wanna spend a ton of money on makeup, like new products. Like I'm not doing it anymore. Like I used to spend, like when I worked at Sephora, I would spend so much money buying palettes, and I have so many. So the fact that you guys like when I do, you know, older palettes, like it makes me feel better because I don't have to like constantly buy new palettes just to like keep up with the hype and stuff. I just can't afford it, guys. I just can't do it. There's no way. Like I want to be able to buy a new car, buy a house, and I can't if I'm spending all my money on makeup, you know? So I really do like that you guys like seeing older palettes, honestly. And if there are any other ones that you want me to do, let me know because your girl will do them. Woo! This is looking like a nice smoky eye. Okay. I'm gonna take the same brush that I used Snakebite with, and I'm just gonna blend Busted out. Just like that, nice and soft. Real quick, I'm gonna take Tease and just blend out the edges. So do you guys feel that you have to like buy new palettes all the time to keep up with you know, the whole social media makeup game? Like do you feel like you have to buy the new ones, new palettes all the time? I feel like I have to. I feel like nobody's gonna watch my videos if I continue to use old palettes, but at the same time I'm like, I don't get paid enough to buy a ton of makeup every week, every month, you know? I'm gonna start like cutting the crease with the Kylie concealer. Guys, I ran out of my Too Faced multi-sculpting concealer, so I'm hurting right now. Bad, 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 bad. I miss that concealer so much. Too Faced, if you ever discontinue that or get rid of that and whatever, I will be so pissed. Like I won't be able to forgive you. So, what was I saying before this? Oh! Whoopsie. gonna go into Verb, which is this really pretty silver. This is gonna go in the inner portions of my lid. By the way, can you guys like see what I'm doing in my videos? Do I need to get a new lens or anything? I know my exposure had been high for a long time, but I've been working on it, so let me know. Now I'm gonna go into YDK, which is a really pretty like taupey color, and this is going in the middle portions. I'm gonna blend it into the inner portion as well, you know, but mainly middle, little bit in the inner lid, and that's it. I'm gonna take Busted and just fluff it in the outer V. I'm basically just trying to make sure the lid is nice and evened out, you know, and it's not like a harsh line between YDK and Busted. So I'm just blending it out. I also don't want to get like glitter everywhere, which it already is, but whatever. Perfect. And then I'm gonna go ahead, pick up Tease, blend out the edges again. I've never brought up my eyeshadow this far up, but you know, trying something new here. And then we are going to highlight right underneath the eyebrow. I'm using this like super stiff brush and I'm picking up Foxy, putting it right underneath my eyebrow. All right, ladies and gents, let's clean this up. Like I said, I ran out of my Too Faced multi-sculpting concealer, so I am using this Match Perfection by Rimmel, which I think they discontinued, and I'm super upset because this is my second favorite concealer, and then I'm mixing Kylie's concealer in just to give it a little bit more coverage. I'm gonna be doing a wing and putting on my false lashes now. I know I've been doing a lot of wings and false lashes lately, and to be honest, I only do it because I feel like brands will repost you most likely if you have lashes and a wing on, you know what I mean? Like very rarely do brands post like makeup without false lashes. Like, have you guys noticed that? I know it's so stupid because I probably shouldn't care. I should be like, whatever. But you know, a girl wants to get posted for once. So this is probably gonna be the last time. I have like black on my nose. This is probably gonna be the last time that I for a couple videos that I do false lashes and liner. So just bear with me, okay? Actually, guys, I did a little bit of a line, but I want to actually use the black in this palette. It's called Blackout. I want to line my lashes with this instead. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye, do like a little black line, and then I'm gonna go over it with the eyeshadow. Wow guys, my camera stopped recording, but this black is the blackest black that I have. Like if you guys have the Naked 2 and you're always looking for like a black eyeshadow, don't sleep on this. That's like intense black. I'm gonna do my other wing off camera because it takes me forever. Now let's move on to the lower lash line. I'm just gonna take this little waterline liner brush. I used it to help with the wing. Oh, by the way, I'm waiting for this lash glue to dry before I finish that eye. I'm just putting this black right in the outer portion of my lower lash line. Woo, woo, woo. Okay, and then I'm going to take Tease, which is the blending color I used, and just buff it out. When I tell you the walls are paper thin, guys, I'm not exaggerating, I'm not lying, I'm not being dramatic. They are, in fact, paper thin. All right, so I finished up my makeup. This is my final look. I love the eyes, very cool tone, very sultry. I hope you guys liked it. I will, like I said, calm down with the lashes and the liner. Just do like more simple everyday looks. So those will be coming up shortly. Well, in the near future, I guess. Whatever, same thing, right? Anyway, I don't know. I hope you guys like this video. I do want to apologize. I don't think I mentioned this in the video, that my hair is not straight or like not done at all. This is just my natural hair. So if you guys have like this wavy kind of hair, can you recommend me some products? Because my hair is like horrible. I hate my hair. So I think that's about it. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. It really, really means a lot. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see next, what tutorials, eyeshadow palettes you want me to use. I'm down. Let me know, even if it's new, if I think I want it and if it looks like something I'll use regularly, I will purchase it, but I'd rather use some like old stuff that I have in my collection. So that's all that I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.